Well, hello, it's Bears back. I got that MAKO core that I took out of that MAKO lock, and I wanted to try and see what we could do with it. Try to get in here and see what we can do. Okay, I'm feeling a tension wrench already moving out. That's not good. Bad when a tension wrench just walks out on you. It's going again. It's gonna lose it. Stupid thing. Wow. What? Not even feeling the pins doing anything. They're not moving up. They're not doing nothing. The only thing I can feel is a tension wrench leaving. It's the only thing that's happening here. Oh, wait a minute. We'd had it. We had it. I just didn't push it over far enough. So yeah, that's got it picked to control. So yeah, if they're that, they're pretty easy to pick to control, some of them, and that doesn't make them too secure, no matter how many nice security pins they have in there. So anyway, that's that MAKO I took out of that lock, that core. So thanks for watching, everybody. Have a nice day. Stay legal and have fun, guys. Bye. Well, I managed to pick it to open. Don't know how I did it, but I did it. I'm going to try it on video. But yeah, bye.